Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly. Alright, today we're gonna open something up nicely. Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly. Today I have a new helmet to open and unbox to show you guys. A red one, a nice road helmet or adventure helmet. Alright, so this is the name, AXXIS. Alright, so let's get down to it and let's get the bag and the box open. Alright. No to już, słuchajcie, otwieramy. Let's open it up and unbox it. Alright, always love new helmets. So check it out. Kocham, słuchajcie, odpakowywać nowe kaski. Tym razem nie jest inaczej. Wyciągnijmy. O, tu jak zwykle instrukcje. Dzień jest piękny. Czas go ubrać i oczywiście będę potem testować na motocyklu. No to już. Looks pretty good. Check this out. The materials. Pretty fine. Polycarbonate architecture. This is an L size, so just good for me. It's got a nice bag coming with. Alright, all the knobs to tighten the hood, and obviously this is the ventilation. Alright, so that's how it looks. Let me just make a photo quick and then put it on. So let me remove the foil. Usuwamy, słuchajcie, folię ochronną. Okay, there's another one on the windscreen, on the sunshade, which needs to be removed. And how do we move the sunshade down? I think, yeah, that's the lever to move it up or down. Let me just show you quickly. Yeah. All right, sun visor. Let's get the foil off. There we go. There we are. So I think time to put it on. Alright guys, so that's the helmet, and you can see it's pretty cool. There we are. Alright, so some specs. You can see here E9 certification, and then you have the specs here. 1.7 kilograms, so it's kind of cool looking. It's not the lightest helmet, but it's okay. So time to test it out, guys.